Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, pretty soon it's going to be St. Patrick's Day, when the leprechauns come and play tricks on us. Let's start with a poem. We can actually sing it. I'm a little leprechaun dressed in green, the tiniest man that you've ever seen. If you ever catch me, so it's told, I'll give you my pot of gold. I'm a little leprechaun, imagine that, with my little green boots and my big green hat. At the end of the rainbow, so it's told, you will find my pot of gold. And if you want to find a pot of gold, you have to catch a leprechaun and don't ever take your eyes off of him because he will run away. So let's make a pot of gold today. I've started one chain. We're going to start with some chains. And we just have to glue one side and put them through. And you can use with any kind of glue you have at home. Just make a magic chain. Hang it in your window or somewhere in your house. And maybe you will catch a leprechaun. Using all the colors of the rainbow for our chain. And we just put it through and glue it to make a nice chain. You can make your chain as long as you want or as short as you want. And you can use any kind of paper that you have at home to make your chain. Maybe cut up some of those flyers from IGA or Safeways, because those are very colorful. On my last chain, I am going to put a pot of gold. Doesn't look like a pot of gold. I'm going to decorate my pot of gold with some shamrocks just to make it a bit more special. And we will have this material for you at the library. But we still need some gold. So we've got some gold colored paper. And you might have something at home you want to use instead. And we can just cut out some gold coins and glue them onto our pot of gold. And you can make as many gold coins as you want. You could decorate them if you want. You might have something at home you could use. Let's make some more gold coins. Just cutting out circles of gold. Put some glue on there. Put our gold coins on there. Do you think this will catch the leprechaun for us? You can put as much gold as you want in your pot of gold. And then when you're done, you can glue your pot of gold onto your chain, and then you have a beautiful St. Patrick's Day decoration to catch your leprechaun. I hope you have fun catching leprechauns, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.